All right, let me talk to you about the 5 best business credit cards for balance transfers. Do not go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. Today I want to have a conversation with you around a very important topic. What are the 5 best business credit cards for balance transfers? But before I get into the nitty-gritty, let me first acquaint you with our methodology, our evaluation approach, how we go about choosing the best business credit cards for balance transfers. Check this out. Number 5, Wells Fargo Business Platinum Credit Cards. This card is best for cashback on points rewards. We've given it a score of 8.5 over 10. This card is really cool because if you want to choose, let's say you want to choose cashback or points rewards with no annual fee, if you need a card that fits that requirements, you want to go with Wells Fargo Business Platinum Credit Card. The intro APR is 0%. This is fantastic, especially if you have a large balance that you want to transfer to this card. Go ahead and do it. The regular APR after that, the intro APR is the intro APR term, the period ranges from 9 months to 18 months. And then the regular APR fluctuates between 12.74% to 22.74%. There is no annual fee, and you need to have excellent credit though for this one. And here I'm talking about excellent credit, not only for the business owner, but also at the business level. And we like the Wells Fargo Business Platinum Credit Card because this is a great fit for growing businesses that haven't yet hit more than $2 million in sales. So if your annual revenue is still below $2 million, you are still considered quote unquote a small business. And this Wells Fargo Platinum credit card will fit you. Now, this card only offers a 9 months to 18 months APR, a 0% intro APR period, but you can still consolidate high interest debt easily. In addition, you can earn an introductory bonus large enough to have a positive impact on your bottom line. In addition, one thing we have found during our research is that the card offers more benefits for business owners who have already taken advantage of the no interest financing period. So you'll get the opportunity to select how you want to earn rewards, either as cashback or points. The card also pays 1.5 to 2.5% cashback on or 1 point on every dollar spent. So if you choose points-based rewards, you'll also earn 1,000 bonus points when you spend at least $1,000 in any month. Number 4, we have the US Bank Business Platinum Card. This card is kind of cool. It is excellent for lowest interest ongoing APR, and we have given this card a score of 9 over 10. This card is great for extended 0% APR period on purchases and balance transfers, and this is kind of cool. Now, of course, there is a fee. There is a the balance transfer fee is a $5 or 3% of the transfer, whichever is greater. And the pros of this card, we love this card because it really doesn't offer introductory or ongoing rewards, but this is a big but, it does offer the same intro 0% APR offer of no interest on purchases and balance transfer for 15 billion cycles. Think about it, 15 billion cycles. And after the introductory period ends, you'll have the lowest ongoing APR. And this card does not hold much value beyond the intro financing offer because it lacks ongoing rewards and enticing introductory bonuses other cards offer. This is one of the reasons why we put it at number 4. So what that means is, as a business owner, you should only use this card to finance expenses and pay down debt as quickly and as cheaply as possible. So when it comes to expense financing, think about paying vendors, suppliers. Think about paying for operational expenses, and this card is kind of great for that. And one other thing that we noticed here is that this card is also great because they have a deep and broad reporting package. So they have, if you go to the dashboard, to the US Bank Business Platinum Card dashboard, you have a lot of reporting capabilities and reporting features that we haven't seen in other cards. And this is one of the reasons why we kind of chose it too, and we kind of gave it a 9.9 over 10 scores because of that. Now, the regular APR ranges from 9.99% to 17.99%, and there is no annual fee. You need to have excellent credit. I'm talking about anything above 700, whether it is a Fargo score or Vantage score. And again, it has to be excellent credit at the business level, but also at the owner level, at the business owner level, because the US Bank actually checks those 2 levels of credit worthiness. Number 3, Capital One Spark Miles Select for Business. Another great card. We have rated this card 9 over 10. There are really 2 types of business credit card balance transfer offers, if you think about it. The first of which, a 0% intro APR period, which applies to balance transfers. This is what we've seen in all the cards that we have reviewed in our research. However, there are other cards like the Capital One Spark Miles Select for Business, and although they don't offer a 0% intro APR period for balance transfers, they don't charge a balance transfer fee. Now, this is kind of important because you might be thinking it's only $5. No, it's $5 or 3% of the transfer balance, whichever is greater. Say you are a small business owner, you want to transfer $50,000 to a new card. $50,000, 3% of that is $1,500, right? I think my math is good. Yeah, that's $1,500. $1,500, that's a consequential amount. So if you're able to get a card with no balance transfer fee, that's pretty good. So with this business balance transfer cards, you'll be able to transfer as many previous card balances as you like to your new card without paying a transaction fee. Keep in mind, of course, that these transfers will be subject to the APR on your new card as designated by the card issuer. So having said that though, for a business credit card with no balance transfer fee and travel specific rewards, you want to go with the Capital One Spark Miles Select card. The card will give you an unlimited 1.5 miles on every dollar you spend. In addition to that, if you spend, let's say you'll spend $3,000 during your first 3 months with Spark Miles Select, guess what? You will earn a 20,000 miles welcome bonus. You'll be able to redeem your miles to fly on any airline anytime with no blackout dates or seat restrictions. In addition to that, within your first 9 months with this card, with the Capital One Spark Miles Select for Business, you'll be able to carry a credit card balance on purchases, but not on balance transfers though. And you can carry that balance on purchases from month to month without accumulating any interest. Now, after that, a variable APR that will depend on the market prime rate will set in. So you want to check with Capital One's to have a broader understanding of the terms and conditions for the latest APR information. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another session of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We're also having a conversation here around the 5 best business credit cards for balance transfers. At number 2, we have the Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express. Wonderful card. We scored this card 9.5 over 10. This card is great if you want a long 0% APR promotion and a simple rewards program. The Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express should definitely be on your radar, especially if you are a current Amex customer anyway. The card provides new cardholders with a promotional APR of 0% on purchases for 12 months from the date of the account opening. Think about it, 12 months. So you can plan your whole operation, your whole business operations, things like office supplies, paying vendors. You can plan all those things 12 months in advance. So you're able to actually just I would say improve your cash flow, your business cash flows if you're having that problem right now. So after the 0%, after the 12-month 0% intro offer, your APR will be somewhere between 13.24% to 19.24% variable. The card's balance transfer fee is a typical 3% with a $5 minimum. The thing is that this card does not offer a sign-up bonus to help cover the balance transfer fee, but it does offer rewards, so you can earn 2 times membership rewards points on everyday purchases, business purchases up to $50,000 with no category restrictions, which is wonderful. And then it becomes 1-time point on purchases thereafter. The Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express also provides other valuable perks. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have a big expense coming up. You may be able to spend beyond your credit limit without incurring a fee. You'll also get access to a handful of expense management tools. For example, they have a great tool called Spend Manager. This tool allows you to add receipts and notes to your transactions. So you can also label and transfer your transactions directly into your favorite small business accounting software, for example, QuickBooks. And you also get access to special offers on things like shopping, dining, and travel through Amex offers. And even better on this, the card has no annual fee. And number one, drum roll please. Number one, the best, in our view, the best business credit card for balance transfers right now is the US Bank Business Cash Rewards World Elite MasterCard. This is great. This card is great is overall the best business credit card for balance transfer offers. So we have given a score of 9.5 to this card, and so they have a 0% APR for 15 billing cycles. Wonderful, think about that, 15 months. The intro APR is 0%. The regular APR after the 15 months ranges from 11.99% to 22.99%. There is no annual fee. And you gotta have excellent credit, and again, excellent credit. Whenever I mention excellent credit, you have to think twice. You have to think duality here. You have to think about your personal credit, personal credit history, and also the business credit history. We like the U.S. Bank Business Cash Rewards World Elite MasterCard because it has the 15 billing cycle introductory 0% APR and rewards program. You can earn 3% cash back at gas stations, office supply stores, and cell phone service providers, as well as bonus rewards each year. Our second pick has the same 0% APR offer. The thing is that after the ongoing rewards programs, what you want to have is that the card is great. This card is great if you are looking to cash in on lucrative rewards, and it also ranks as the best 0% APR business card as of the moment. The only thing we don't like with this card is that it has a balance transfer fee. So you're talking here the standard $5 or 3% of the transfer, whichever is greater. This card also, the US Bank Business Cash Rewards World Elite MasterCard, also comes packed with a constellation of great reporting tools. They have a very seamless and user-friendly dashboard, and that's kind of important because if you are a business owner, you want not only to pay attention to your expenses on the card, but also you want to pay attention to your operational expenses. And this card has reporting capabilities that can sync with any accounting software out there, including QuickBooks. So this is very important to kind of keep in mind. All right, folks. So you have them. Those are the five business the 5 best business credit cards for balance transfers. Just want to quickly have a general, some kind of overview information here. Is a balance transfer business credit card right for you? That's something you have to think about. Now, although all the cards I've given you are great business credit cards options, you should first and foremost consider their balance transfer offers if you have a pre-existing high interest credit card debt that you're looking to pay down. Because using a balance transfer credit card is a common method for small businesses to pay off their existing debt in a faster and more cost-effective way. But one thing I want to say here is that you want to skip this balance transfer business credit cards offers if, on the other hand, you don't have pre-existing debt that you're looking to pay off. You really have no reason to choose that. Specifically, one thing I want you to say is that you have to think about what you're looking for. What is your goal in choosing a business credit card or transferring a balance from you want to transfer existing debt onto a new business credit card? Because the thing you want is you don't want to end up with the wrong business credit card, and this will sort of sap your finances, your company's financial situation even further, because there are fees, some of the APRs that we've talked about are kind of high. You're talking about 22.74%, even though interest expense at the company level is tax deductible, it still will bring down your revenue, your profit. So you have to really think about that. Now, another question you have to think about is that you can transfer a business credit card balance to a personal credit card depending on the card issuer. However, it's important to know that you cannot build your business credit by using a personal credit card. So if you want to build your business credit, it's just better to use a business credit card. And do balance transfers actually affect your credit scores? The thing here is that it really depends. Depending on a few different factors, balance transfers can either have a positive or negative impact on your credit score. So applying for several low interest credit cards at once may hurt your credit score. However, if you do it correctly and strategically, a balance transfer can help you pay down your debt quickly and improve your credit score. All right, folks, this is it for today's conversation. So quickly recapping the 5 best business credit cards for balance transfers. Number 1, U.S. Bank Business Cash Rewards Elite MasterCard, score of 9.5 over 10. Number 2, the Blue Business Plus credit card from American Express, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, Capital One Spark Miles Select for Business. We have a score of 9 over 10. Number 4, U.S. Bank Business Platinum Card, a score of 9 over 10. And number 5, Wells Fargo Business Platinum Credit Card, a score of 8.5 over 10. I will see you next time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.